I'm putting a mostly dry saucepan on a burner, getting it hot. We're watching it to make sure that all that condensation dries off, and then we're going to give a demonstration of the Leidenfrost Effect. Abster is the camera woman. Camera person. And she's going to decide when we begin the experiment. She's testing now to see at what point the water starts to vaporize quickly. We're going to watch that get faster and faster, that vaporization, until we see the Leidenfrost effect. I don't want to wait for this to evaporate naturally. I'm going to get rid of that as much as I can. Keep going. There it is. It's starting to go, and we actually, excuse me, saw a little bit of that. Peanut Gallery by Emster.
Wait, what?
And Abster. And we're beginning to see the Leidenfrost effect, where the water vaporizes so quickly that a cushion of steam extends out between the pan and the water, giving just enough time for surface tension to draw water molecules together in little balls, which ride that cushion of steam over the hot pan. They stay as balls because they're large enough to defer some of the heat and here, like an old toy from the 80s, Quicksilver, or like mercury, we see water balling up on a pan. Now eventually the pan gets so hot that you can smell the air further, and then it's time to turn it off. Please don't do this without adult supervision. And adults, please trust your children with adult supervision to do the right thing and learn this with their own hands. Once again, the Leidenfrost effect. One of the coolest, easiest fluid physics heat transfer experiments we can do. Look at that. I'm going to get rid of that blob, but I love the little developing bubble in there, looking like an eye. It's like an amoeba. Let's pour that off. You ready again? Okay.
If you do it on the side, it bounces more and more.
Heat will come up there too, so be careful.
Oh my goodness!
Wow, it's creating more. Ah, that's a self-sustaining effect of a different kind. Interesting. Interesting. Let's get rid of some of that.
That was cool.
That was very cool.
Not so much.
Yeah, let it dry up.
And don't put it
Let
there.
it dry up all the way.
When you do it, put it on the other parts. Some. Yes.
Not perfect. There's heat coming up there. Okay. You can do it. I just don't want. If you touch there, you're going to burn yourself. Right. It's hot.
I'll do it.
I'll spank your bottom.
I can do it. Oh goodness! Every time I
It became blurry.
Look at the water. It looks like a bead.
Whoa.
It looks like a cool video game.
That was weird. I came back, and then one ball ran into the big ball. And you can still see balls into that big bubble.
1, 2, 3. Balls.
What?
You should have told us what you were gonna do first.
Yeah, I said.
Oh, it's not. All right, we're done here.
Okay.